All right, everybody, welcome back. Apologize for no uploads in a while. Haven't really had a whole lot to do. We did a very extremely professional job looping the heater lines there. My heater core took a dump, so just did that. Didn't really care too much about how it looked because that motor's coming out. And this one that I've had for a couple of years is going to go in. Did a little bit of work on this other than the heater core. You probably can't see it. The oil pressure switch started leaking, so we redid that. That was fun. New battery, and then we also got rid of the plastic connector for the oil pressure gauge because that was leaking. So today's task is to get rid of the motor. Well, not the whole motor, but I'm starting to get everything together so that we can pull it probably tomorrow. So far, fan is gone. That's right here. By the way, I hate those fans and will be going, actually I will be going with an electric fan, which is in, I don't know, one of those boxes somewhere. I probably should find that actually. But my three-row champion radiator, three-row champion radiator will be going in this car with the electric fan set up. I think I'm going to keep the turbo 350 trans right now. I was going to swap over to my 700 R4 that I have sitting here, but I think I'm going to hold off on that and just keep the 350 for right now. Yeah, so that's kind of our update right now, and as I get more parts off, I'll come back and show you guys.